Today, Dad and I are installing a new microwave because apparently it's cheaper to replace it than it is to repair it. The world we live in. So we've got it halfway up. We got it plugged in.
Are you gonna make a YouTube of this?
Yes. And you're in it. We're documenting our installation of the microwave. I learned by watching Renee the Appliance Technician, you should always read your manual. But we kind of jumped the gun and we didn't read the installation instruction manual because like a year ago, approximately, we bought a very similar microwave, like the same size, basically, over the range. And it was an LG too. And it was going to be like $350 to repair it. In addition to, you paid
$140 some to come out and just tell them, for them to tell me that the door needs to be replaced. After I told them on the phone, the door needed to be replaced.
Yeah, so maybe not the best idea to replace it with another LG, but it did make installation a lot more simple because we already had the little piece that you have to mount up to the wall ready. The holes were already drilled for the right part. Plate was already there. It was a really quick swap out. But now we're gonna read the manual. One thing that's different about this oven is that it did sing when we plugged it in.
It did what?
It sang a little song. Our other microwave beeped, but it didn't sing.
Well, that's because this one is the FinQ or whatever it's called.
Yeah, this one connects to Wi-Fi, and we've got a TV that's also LG. So I'm curious to see if the TV will get a notification when the microwave cuts off.
And the only reason why we bought this is that it would fit back into the same section that we needed, and it was the same height up and down. Depth-wise, it was the same, and lengthwise. But the biggest thing about this is that, you know, with this particular model, all the holes fit, and it fit right in there. So look.
Yeah, it made installation a lot easier to just buy another LG because all of our
we looked at other
spaces
ones. We
were
looked
set
at
up.
Samsung. We looked at all the GE, Frigidaire, all of them. But we needed something that would fit in our space where we live.
Yeah.
And so if we get too much lower on the stovetop, then you have trouble. We have trouble enough as it is with stuff cooking and steaming and all that. But with this, we'll see how long this lasts.
Yeah, hopefully this one will last more than a year.
Well, you know, they offered to do an extended warranty, and I didn't think you would need something like that. And so there we go. We needed it.
The one time the extended warranty would have been worth it.
Okay, now we need the glass to go on
A
top
few
of
more
this.
pages of the manual. Service. And I know there's obviously not enough time for anybody to read any of these pages on the manual, but you can always go through and pause it. So now we gotta put in the glass and figure out what else we're gonna do.
The boxes were there. That was to rest the microwave oven here without damaging the top of the stove. And this way it's already up height enough that we could get this on the ledge in the back. See, there's a ledge that mounts in the back there. You get that in there, it fits in the groove, and then you pull this up, and there's two bolts, one here, that goes through the wood here and connects into the microwave. And that's what holds this up. and you can see we can kind of pull on it right here. And you can see we mounted it and got the screws in the right hole.
Right, so like the baby wipe boxes are there because they're sturdy, and it just made it a little easier to lift the microwave up into the space that it goes.
It supported everything,
Yeah.
and we were able to get it in, and that's just my thought. We had other boxes there, but these worked out to be the best. Now, I don't see a top and bottom on this. If you see it, let me know. I don't.
That's it. It's in the angle of the wheels.
Yep. I thought I'd just rinse this off right here.
Yeah, good idea. Well, we did it. We installed the new microwave. Hopefully this one lasts longer than the one before it, but replacing it with a similar model certainly made switching it out a lot easier. So the next adventure we're gonna film after we get the kitchen cleaned up a little bit more is my birthday favorite, Mom's secret recipe for chocolate pound cake. I'm excited. Until then, everyone, just keep swimming.